On behalf of Mr. McLean, please state your name for the court.
Michael McLean.
Okay, folks, here's where it gets serious. Malik Robinson is pleading guilty to attempted resisting and obstructing a first responder. That's a misdemeanor, but remember, it carries up to a year in jail and a $1,000 fine. No trial, no negotiation on this plea. It's
Sorry.
Adjournment. Will the fifth work?
Yes.
March 5th, 2026. God continue.
Thank you.
Thank you. Court calls case Keebler versus Malik Robinson.
Wendy Barnwell, P42-505, on behalf of Mr. Robinson, who's present.
Okay.
Good afternoon, Judge.
I'm doing okay. Your name?
Malik Robinson.
Hey, before me a plea form. Is that what we're doing today?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Plea form indicates that the defendant will be pleading guilty to an added count 2 of attempted resisting and obstructing the 1-year offense. Upon his successful plea to that charge, count 1 would be dismissed, and the sentencing judge waived. That's the court's full understanding of this. But he's not seeking hide on this. He's not. I got it.
3 days past eligibility. Just had a birthday.
Oh. All right. Let's have him sworn.
Solemn sure and affirm the testimony about guilty, the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Yes. Malik Robinson.
Sir, it is the court's understanding that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of attempted resisting and obstructing a first responder. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. That is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year incarceration and $1,000 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You also understand, sir, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be sentencing you, and you would be sentenced before Judge Garwood in the 15th District Court. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Thank you.
You understand by pleading guilty, you'll not have a charge? You'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, Your Honor.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
Oh, Your Honor.
Look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you're giving up those rights as well as all the rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole?
Notice the judge explaining the consequences here. Robinson now knows he's not just pleading guilty. He's waiving his right to a trial and even the right to appeal. That's huge. This is a classic example of how a plea can lock you in legally. Would you take the plea under these conditions?
No, Your Honor.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record that you plead?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes, Your Honor.
of your own free will,
Yes, Your Honor.
and because you believe that you're guilty of this offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
On the date of January 2nd, 2026, at the location of 2749 Adrian Drive, City of Ann Arbor, Washington County, State of Michigan, did you come into contact with police officers from the Ann Arbor Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
What happened?
I was told from. I was given the order and then followed
Okay. What order were you given?
to leave the premises.
Okay, so you weren't supposed to be there?
It was. I was coming to grab my things.
Okay, so let me ask you this. Why was the officer asking you to leave?
Your Honor, the officer was asking him to leave so that things would calm down. To leave 2 hours for at least 2 hours or 24 hours.
Oh, so your home address, the 2749, was your home
At the time.
More at the time it was.
at the time. It was. Okay. Something was happening in the household between people in the house. That be fair?
Yes.
All right. One way or another, police get called,
Yes.
right? And they give you a lawful order to try to diffuse the situation, telling you to leave the premise.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you would agree that that would have been a lawful order, a command on their part, given the circumstances. And you refuse to do that.
Yes, Your Honor.
And so when you refuse to do that, what happened? Yeah, not a good thing, huh? Yeah, it didn't work out for you, did it?
Not for
It
real.
would have been better just to listen. Yeah, okay. All right. So if I accept your plea, you want, and you knew, I should ask you, you knew that they were officers acting in their lawful duty. Acting
Yes,
as
Your
lawful.
Honor.
All right. Sir, if I accept your plea, I do have to advise you that between the time I accept your plea and the time of your sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined in the Michigan court rules, that you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea, and the court would not be bound by any sentence recommendation or evaluation. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements that you've led to this court?
None, Judge.
And have I complied with the court rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count two. Count one is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 15th District Court probation. Sentencing will be March 17th, 2026, 9 a.m. for Judge Garwood. Bond will continue. All right. Thank you, sir.
Judge, I just wanted to make sure.
Oh, I don't have another date, so you.
Okay, so I'll take it up with them. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Court does call the case. People versus Rita Giddick.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Steve Tremontin with it on behalf of the defendant, Dr. Rita Giddick. Dr. Giddick, state your name for the record, please.
My name is Dr. Rita Giddick.
Oh, oh. What are we doing?
We're asking for an exam date, Your Honor. Best March.
Discovery is complete.
Correct. I have not been informed that there's any discovery they have. I don't.
And would people have their witnesses available to serve? Preliminary examination in person will be March 3rd, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Fisher. Bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Court calls the case of the people versus Lisa Keebler.
Yeah, over I was with on behalf of Miss Keebler here for the first probable cause conference after her arraignment. Just taking.
State your name.
Keebler.
There's a green sheet discovery. I'm sorry, journal request in the file for ongoing discovery evaluation. This is really Mr. Shee's case, much more than mine, and he couldn't be here.
Yeah, I understand. Did you say how much time we?
He was looking for 3 weeks, March 12th.
3 weeks, March 12th. No, that's it. Probable cause conference then will be adjourned March 12th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond in this case will continue. Thank you.
Very good. Thank you.
Court does call the case, People versus Ethan Jordan.
And good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Orlando Simone, Strict Legal Services. On behalf and with Mr. Jordan. You say your name?
Ethan Jordan. Thank you.
And Your Honor, we put in a request for a brief adjournment. I'm still looking for some additional discovery, some body cam. Talk to Mr. Cook. Should be able to get that and take a look at it.
Sorry. 12th work.
We're good with the 5th. If you prefer the 12th, we can do the 12th.
You want the 5th? What do you want? What day you want? I don't usually ask that. You want the 12th or the 5th?
I'll take the
Pick a date.
I'll take the 5th.
Thank you. You'll take the 5th. Just got that. All right. March 5th, 2026, 9 a.m. All right.
Actually, it's too big of an opening.
Yes, it was. Fine, we'll continue.
Served it up nicely. Thank you.
Good
Good
seeing
to
you.
see you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Court calls the case. People versus Haley Garcia.
Afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Attorney Maxwell Newman, number 86012 on behalf of Ms. Garcia, who appears via Zoom.
Adam John Allen, Your Honor. Thank you.
Your Honor, I have discussed this with the prosecutor. We're in negotiations. We'd like to see if we can get my client admitted into sobriety court. So we would like to adjourn this matter, 30 days? I think maybe 30
Which
days.
court?
So, Your Honor, he lives on the east side of Detroit, so I was thinking either St. Clair Shores or Warren, because those are closer to him.
He's in Wayne County, though.
Correct.
I need a green sheet, so I'll give you the adjournment. I'll adjourn this matter to March 19th, 2026, 9 a.m. Where is your invite? Indicates bond will.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
I do have another matter. I don't.
What?
I do have another case. Oh, no. I do have another case. I don't know if you were, or should I be seated and wait?
How does that work usually? No, how does
All right.
that?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
No,
It's been a
I
little.
got another one here. I don't know. Did I change something, Alan? Okay.
Because-
Court does call the case People versus Joshua Stuben. And see, I knew it was going to be the next one, but I was going to make you go back there anyway. Because I only had one case.
Deborah Schlossel on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Joshua Stuben. Your Honor,
State your name. sir.
Joshua Stuben.
Thank you.
sorry, Your Honor, I'm a little off guard. Your Honor, he also would like to adjourn this matter out 30 days for the purpose of plea negotiations.
Any objection from the people?
No, Your Honor. It's not received via that's counsel's own calculation.
That is correct, Your Honor.
March 19th, 2026.
Thank you, Your Honor. I will fill out a
Yeah.
green form for.
Bond will continue. And I don't think you have another case because I don't have any more files.
No, I don't.
So you're good. I'll need a green sheet on both.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor.